What's up, guys? So I'm starting off with my eyebrows already completed. I'm using the Amethyst from Ruby Kisses palette, as well as the Changeable Fantasy palette, which mimics the Charles, I forget his name, from Morphe palette. So I didn't press record after I did all of that, and I didn't get that part of me blending the orange and the red, but we're gonna skip on forward, and I'm going ahead and adding in the light purple from the Amethyst Ruby Kisses palette, and I'm just placing that there just to add like a purple hue to that look that will blend in with the rest of the look that I'm doing. So now I'm just building up my crease using that same purple, and after I build it up to where I like it, I am going to cut it using my LA Girls Pro Concealer. It's not LA Girls, LA Color Pro Concealer. And I'm just gonna cut that. There are different ways to cut the crease, and throughout this week, I'll be showing you guys how to do that without utilizing any product. Now I'm just blending in my crease, not crease, but blending in my outer corner with the cut crease that I just made, just to make it blended and flawless. Here I'm adding in a very, very light pink from the Ruby Kisses palette. And now I'm going in with a loose pigment that I got, and it's from J Cat Beauty, and it's a loose pink pigment. The red and the orange that I used earlier, those both were from the Shiny Cosmetics palette and the Fantasy, Changeable Fantasy palette. And now I'm just going in and blending in all these colors and making it look seamless so we don't have any issues, sis, okay? No problems, no problemas. And then I'm gonna take this white eyeliner. I messed up right there and it kind of messed up the look, but I had to save it a little bit. I'm just gonna put that along the crease line. Of course, your look is not done unless you tie in the bottom lid, and that's what I'm doing by adding in my purple and my pinks and just tying in my bottom lid. Now I started off with this one liner, but it wasn't working well because as you see right there, I was like, get something else, get something else. So I went back to my old trusty dusty liner that I'm running out of. And I just created a big wing liner. If you guys want me to do liner for hooded lids, just let me know in the comments below, and I will show you guys how to line your eyes if you have a hooded lid like mine. And now, I've completely beat my face. I finished my other eye, and now I'm adding in my highlight. Of course, you guys know the highlight that I'm using is from Five Below, and is from Smoke and Mirrors, and it is the Bomb Diggity. I will link everything below so you guys can purchase it if you would like to. Very satisfied with my look, and now it's time to put on these beautiful lashes. I love these type of lashes. I don't know why, but I love them. So Flawless Bee Cosmetics sent me these beautiful lip colors. They are a very small owned cosmetic line, and they have a lot of beautiful lip colors. So right now I'm just swatching each one of these, and I'm gonna list each color below. Beautiful colors. The pencils, which is like the crayon pencils, they went on smoothly. Including the glosses, they went on smoothly, and they were very pigmented. Most glosses, they're very sheer, but as you can see, hers are not sheer at all. They are very pigmented, and they're glossy at the same time, so you can put them on as a lipstick or as a gloss. Either way, they will work fine. They're beautiful, beautiful colors. So I'm gonna take the red, and I'm gonna use that to outline my lips. I didn't even have to use a whole lot of this. Some people would have probably kept like lining their lips, but when I was putting it on, it went on so smoothly, and it was so pigmented that I didn't really need to do too much with this to even make it show up or even make it blend in with the gloss that I used. It just glided on so smoothly. And here I'm taking that pink gloss and I'm placing that all over my lips. Oh my gosh, so voluptuous and make my lips look all sexy and cute. And it just blended in perfectly with the look that I had for my eyes. So just blended this entire look together. And ignore my straggly hair pieces in the background. There's being some haters, so just ignore those. And this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure that you stay tuned tomorrow for another beautiful, flawless Valentine's Day look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this soft, glam Valentine's Day look for us brown-skinned women. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.